Yes, I love those.
I love my software.
Ooh. 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 Is this working? What is working? Yes. What are you twitching? Are you chatting from space or something? Chatting from the ether? Beyond the grave? No. Leave me alone, child. Child! I want nothing of you. Look at them. These are your true believers. These are your true friends. The internet. Observe them! I can't touch you. I can't touch you right now. I can't touch you right now. I'm doing something. Arm? Sun King is wondering about your arm. Show him your arm. Anything wrong? She has a healthy arm. All right, get out of here. That is a cat, and it's my cat. And some people will say that it's their cat, but they wouldn't have gotten that cat if it wasn't for me. So, I'm thinking it's my cat. Cat Bob, it's going good. I got really sick over the weekend, and I wasn't able to stream on Monday because I was so fucking beat up. I actually took Monday and Tuesday off of work. Now I'm on spring break. That's pretty cool. What's going on? I feel frozen. No, I'm fine. We can turn that to maybe a 20%. Springe has sprunge, you know. But anyways, I'm feeling better, and last night I had have a kid. You'll get sick every week for a couple of weekdays. It's awesome. Hell yeah. I want to share with you guys a vision that I had of my future. I was sitting in my car trying to convince my friends to go out and play disc golf today. And I said to myself, roll for persuasion, you know? And then we're in the group chat, right? So it's just like, is it stuck on cat right now? Disc golf, why? Because disc golf is fun. Hey, why is Blaholtzen stuck on cat version of Wilbo? Let me dig into the machine here. We got an error running. It just says cat, and it won't go away. Oh, I'm imagining things. Never mind. Anyways, I was looking at the... I was looking at the wrong thing. Look, there's Wilbo. Wilbo's doing great. Anyways, I was imagining a world where I could roll for persuasion on my friends in the group chat with like a little app. Just a die, because we play D&D together. I thought it'd be funny to be like, I roll a D20 to persuade. Exactly. The person in the song thinks it's funny. And so I was looking on the... And they have to accept the outcome. Exactly. And I was thinking about... I was looking at... I was looking at iPhone integrations, like iMessage integrations, that you could download. I was like, the overlap between developers and people who play D&D has to be so deep that someone has made a D20 in iMessage before. But that is not the case. No one's done it. There is from what my research showed, and maybe I'm just bad at researching. Oh no. Maybe I'm just bad at researching. But I couldn't find one. And then I said to myself, well, let me give it a shot. Catman Bob knows where this is going. And so I went into Swift. I tried to look at Swift. It's a very complicated language. But then I tried some stuff. I fucked around a bit. And check this out. And it's simple right now, but I've only worked on it for 3 hours. And imagine where it could go. Can you bring up the phone? Thank you. Bring up the phone and run the app. Okay. So, imagine this. Put this away. Put this away. Put this away. Hey. Shut up. You're ruining it. You're texting your friend. Oh. I say, come out for drinks tonight. And they respond, they say no. Let's pretend this is them saying no. And then I go, I scroll down to my D20 roller, and I roll. And I get a 15! Right? You can roll as many times as you want. But imagine if when you rolled, it rolled a dice, and the dice landed in here, and it sent a little message that said, Tynan rolled a 15 to persuade. Or something. Ryan with 2... Ryan? I don't know why it's acting all fucked up. Can you zoom in? No. Oh, I can just make the phone bigger. Ryan. You've been Ryan. But anyways, imagine this. So this is the dice. This is the roller right now as it is. Have a little D20 roller. You roll, and then you roll. And then it sends it. Anyways, so I have a couple of things that I want to do to make this happen. And I'll list them right now. Is my notes going to have anything nasty in it? No. Okay. What need to make this good? I can't imagine having I can't imagine it because I have no friends to text. Oh, damn. Some sort of dice imagery is necessary. We got the bullet points even. Dice imagery. Imagery. Plus that, make it big so that people can read it. It would look like you're just sending a number. You can just make it up. Yeah, but no, you would be able to, in my version, it would send like a little roll notification. So, for example, I was using this other app as a tester to try and figure out what the hell's going on. I was trying to learn Swift, so I was using a version that they made on their website so that, oh shit, that's the D20 roller. But for example, this ice cream application, if you select a base and hit select, it sends a little notification. Let's build some ice cream together. So it would look like that, and it would say Tynan rolled, and then if you clicked it, instead of bringing up add some scoops, it would bring up a video of a dice rolling and a number showing up. And then maybe this text, instead of saying I added some scoops, it would say I rolled a 20 or whatever. All right, they built an ice cream. It was a collaborative effort. And then if you click it again, I think you just get the ice cream. Yeah. And then you can send it as a sticker, but it's kind of silly. I don't really get it. Like, it sucks. I don't know. I think maybe you can use the I think maybe you can use the ice cream cones as stickers if you wanted to. Like, I want to use this one. Oh, can I respond with an ice cream sticker? Oh. Beep, 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 beep. What are these little question marks? Whatever. Lick the screen. How do you eat the ice cream? Great question. Lick the screen is a good answer, but it's not the right answer. The right answer is it's not real ice cream. I'll be honest. It doesn't exist. What flavor would you like? There's a cat that's meowing like crazy right now. All right, so wait, back to notes. Some dice imagery. We need multiple kinds of dice to roll. D4, D8, D6. Multiple numbers of dice. Add remove dice in order to create bigger numbers. I need to be able to send results of rolls. And then what would make it, instead of just good, what would make this great? Dice customization. This is where you get into your money-making business. Physics dice. So physics. I don't know how to spell physics. Physics-based rolling would be crazy, right? Screen shaking. Ooh. Oh. Screen shake for roll is a great idea. Screen shake to roll. Rolling inside the message window like a... I'm trying to think, what is it called? Those little, Thanks, I expect a 1% profit share. No problem. Like if the dice were in the message panel, not just a message inside it. I don't know. You know, like make the whole phone look like dice are rolling in it. On top of the messages. I think that'd be cool. Anyways. We're going to start with good, and then we're going to try and get into greatness. We're going to try and enter into greatness. But first you need a functional prototype before you can just before you chuck physics rolling into it and shit like that. That's crazy. I was thinking about with the Google, when you do the Google roll 2d8 or whatever. So this has like a 3D thing, but it is not using physics. It's just randomly spinning these dice and then fading in a number. So it's doing a random number generation, but then doing a little fancy animation on top of it. And I think that's enough. I think this is enough to make a functional like thing that you would be happy to run out on an app. And then you can add more dice, or you can add modifier plus 10. You can get rid of dice by clicking them. This is a solid user interface. I could like it to also work on Android. Fat chance, brother. This is in Swift. Do you understand? I'm coding in Swift. It's not going to work on Android. Need to get a quantum random generation so that there's no pseudo-random. Analog Cole, were you the one that brought up that stock? Because I did go and buy some on Robinhood, and I don't think it's doing that well. Yeah, it's doing mid. That's fine. Look, I'm just gonna hold on to it, see where it goes. I think it could be interesting. Okay, this is a very sciencey song. Is this my console or something? I'll just minimize that. All right, so we've got all this code. I need to figure out what the hell I'm doing with it. Okay, so right now, here is how it is working. I have this storyboard. This is sort of where you design the look of the thing. And right now, it's already doing something kind of weird with my roll. But I have buttons, I have labels. The label is the number thing. It changes. So on the right here, we have this little panel. I don't know if I can zoom in on this as well. That would be super useful, but it doesn't look like I can. Maybe I can just change my interface to be huge. Settings. General. Is there any way to zoom this shit in? It's hard for me to read even now. We'll go into dark mode. Maybe that'll help. Okay. We can do Kotlin or Java, or we could do Swift because it's what I'm already working in, man. You would have to republish it under your own Cat Guy Bob name in order for you to get the version you want on Android. All right. So here's how it works. This has a little connection into my code. The connection is, it's called a referencing outlet. So I can add more reference outlets by clicking on the object that I want to be referenced in my code and dragging a little dot into the controller area. This is the controller area. It's just looking at the entire screen, and it has little inputs that I have that I create in here. Zoom in over here. in my message controller, I've created some outlets. Here they are. Right now, the only one that's working is the rolled number variable. So the rolled number gets created when... Oh, did tap roll. I hate the syntax. I hate how they talk about stuff in this code. Because everything acts as an... I say hold for a year. Okay, I'll hold for a year, brother. At least. I'll probably forget about it in a year, to be honest. My grandkids will find it when it's the most important security company in the world and be like, "Oh, Grandpa Humphrey invested in this. They invested $100 in this in 2026. It's 2,120, and it's worth $1 billion gajillion dollars. And I make my grandchildren filthy rich, or whatever." I don't think that's really how investing works, but I think you have to keep investing. You can't just put $100 in and expect... I mean, that it'll just rise with inflation. Anyways, you would need to have a bunch of money. Okay. So we have our rolled number IB outlet, and we also have this IB action. The function did the tap happen, which is connected to the button. I have my button here. You can see that when the touch, it's really hard to read, and my face is over top of it. I can move myself small. But this action, it says when touch up inside of the button. So when someone touches the button and then it goes up, so after the touch, it runs a function, and it has decided to run the view message view controller did tap roll function, which, listen, hold your concentration. That's this function. And this function says the rolled num. Okay, you holding your attention? Rolled num, which is the label that we created in the storyboard. This rolled num, I've connected it. The text of that equals a string equal to the rolled die function, which in this case is over here. No, is here. I created a separate Swift function for it because it's going to be bigger later, right? Which just returns, right now, it'll get more complicated, but it just returns a random int between 1 and 20. I don't want to distract you, but Tesla in 2015 was a share count of 700, would be worth 400 million right now, or 4 million right now? Oh, yeah. Okay. How many shares do I have? Oh. What the hell's going on? Okay. What was I doing? Shoot. Oh yeah, I was checking how many shares I have. Currently, with the $100 I put in, how do I check the share number of shares? I have 27 shares in QNC. I don't think that's enough to send me into outer space, but it's a decent amount. Okay. What am I doing? I'm coding. Okay. I want to code in new. Delete everything. Get rid of everything. Maybe later. Skip this version. Install update. I don't care. Ugh. Install. That's our cake or ice cream store. Okay. So if I wanted this to be multiple die choices, I would need more buttons, right? So over here, I need maybe the result, it goes underneath roll and it starts empty. And then above, we need a button that says we're just going to go generic button. D20. Button. Oh, can I just double D20? Keep it in the view, please. There's too many fucking menus in this game. It is a game. D20. What's the next lowest you can do? D12. Talking platonic solids here, folks. I'm not fucking around with your hypothetical D12 and a halves or whatever. Then we go 10. I don't think D10 is a platonic solid, but you fucking know. You know what I mean. D8. D6. A D12 is a dodecahedron, though, so it's cool. You got in at 70 cents? That's crazy. I don't think that the stock opened in the market until in the US market until it was $2. Yeah, there's no record of it being above or under it uplisted. That was on OTC. Oh, I don't know about all that. Yeah, I'm not smart enough to buy it that early. But that's cool, man. Congratulations, or I'm sorry. I'm not gonna read all that. You know? I don't know. No, that's cool. I'm jealous. I'm jealous that you're rich. I'm jealous that you're rich. I'm making $1 million my own way, though, with these dice. Who needs stocks when you have dice? All right, so when someone clicks this, it should populate a number of dice that they are going to roll. I don't like the color of these. I'm going to turn them all red. Whoa. I'm just going to delete all these and make this button look good. And then I wonder if I could make it so that it's like the background image is a dodecahedron, an icosahedron, so on and so forth. Well, let's start simple, guys. Don't go crazy, okay? Attributed? How do I change the color of the text? Man, this is so hard to read. Even right here in front of me, it's hard to read. Stroke, fill. Yeah, but what about text? Style plain? Rock tinted? No font? What do you mean no font? Oh, I can choose the font. Ooh, I love that. Yeah. What? Why is it not working? Oh. The hell? A 3D scan of a real D20? I don't think I would need to necessarily scan it. I could just make a 3D D20 fairly easily. I don't know why this type is not working. Custom button. Attributed. Whatever. How do I change the button? How do I change it to white? Just white, please. Hey, there we go. Okay. It's a fun looking button. Let's move on, man. You're getting a little too hung up on the design here. D20, D10, D20, D12, D10, D8, D6, D4. They don't have the 4? There's no number 4! Alright, I gotta pick a different font. Ooh. I mean, Futura is nice. That's certainly not Futura, though. There we go. It's so dumb that I have to pick... For everything, I have to click the new button every time, and then I have to get rid of it, and then I have to click the new one, click the new thing. It should just reset the panel every time I click the thing. This is clearly not design software. I'm gonna change this to Futura too. Fuck it. It says no font. Beg to differ, dude. Get ready to get fonted. Attributed. Futura, bitch. Bold, bitch. Whoa, too big. Nice. Number splash. Okay, so now what? Okay, so now I want a count of the number of dice that I am... Maybe it should just be 2 rows of 3. If I click D20... I would like 1 D20 to be added to the count of dice that I roll. Maybe that's overcomplicating it. Right now, let's just... If you click D20, you roll a D20. If you click D12, you roll a D12. We're trying to keep this as simple as possible. Okay. So now we need to pass in a variable, right? Because our roll die function will function differently depending on what got pressed before it. But so we need a an active die button. Active die. And this is not a UI label. It is any object? I guess maybe these aren't buttons in the traditional sense. They should act like did end on exit, touch canceled, touch down. Is there a different, I guess it'd be more like a toggle? Filled button, tinted button, push down button, pop up button, segmented control. Stepper. Stepper's going to be useful when we want to add and remove die. Picker view. Custom gesture recognizer. Tap gesture recognizer. If I click D20, I would like it to change a variable in this. So we're going to add a function, and the function's going to be named, instead of did tap roll, it's going to be called did pick die. And any object can be clicked. When we look at an object, we'd like to know which object got clicked. How do we pick what's an any object? When you use any object, when you need the flexibility of an untyped object, or when you bridge Objective-C and properties. Okay. So this object is called underscore. I could name it die button instead. And then I could say die button dot I guess it would be UI. I could also very specifically say UI control. Okay. So what are the values of a UI control? It's title. Maybe title.text. .title.text. Let's see if that works. Large content title. .text. Value of type string has no member text. Okay. So it says it's a string already. Property is accessed but unused. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to change the rolled number just to see that it's working. Or can I, like, console log in this? I don't know. Console.log? Does it work? Cannot find console. How do I console log in Swift? Help. How to write to console in Swift. Print. NS log. All right, we just print here. In this household, we print. Expression implicitly coerced from string ? To any? Okay. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with coercion. You know what I love to do when I code, I like it there to be just a twinge of coercion that is happening. So we want did pick die with button. What? Did pick die with die button? Did pick die with die button. Yeah. And I can do that with many things, right? Touch inside out. Yeah. I should be able to run that function on any of these buttons. All right, let's see if it worked. I wonder if I can give each one an arbitrary value or something. Okay. Touch up inside did pick die with die button. Okay. Let's run it. See if the label changes. Or no, I guess it'll print to the console. How do I see the console again? Was it down here? I think it was down here. Is this my console? I think it is. Doo-doot. 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 Doo-doot.
I love my software.
My new software that I'm doing called D20 Roller.
I love my software. I love my software. I love my software.
Debug? Open system log. It's logging! Gentlemen, clear the log. Press the button. It's not logging. All right, let's try something else. What if we do... We change rolled number just so that I have a label that is talking about... Is that going to work? Save that. Cannot assign value of string to UI label. Oh, rolled number.text. Sorry, dude. Sorry, dude, if I wasn't explicit enough for you. I'm sorry, dude. I didn't know you needed me to be more explicit about what I'd like your rolled number to equal. It's not working. Whatever I'm doing, it's not working. What's the problem? The label's not changing. All right, what's this code say? Hey, man. Qualcomm Apple contacts claims select messages. Those messages may not appear in standard ASL database. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Chumperoni. Oh wait, but the roll button doesn't work anymore either. Maybe it's because the label's empty. Oh. Rollerino. Tostino. Rollerino Tostino. Why aren't you showing me my friend's name? Rollerino Tostino. Rollerino Tostino, please. System font, please. Aha! A hiding Rollerino. Oh, you don't say. What if I just make it this big? A manner. The cranium. The cranium. Rollerino, Tostino. If you got more amino, I want it. Give it to my baby and my Tinos. I used to have a dog named Tino. Is that anything to anyone? Does that mean anything to anyone? Rollerino, Tostino. Rollerino, Tostino. Rollerino. Okay. Let's see if now it'll go. Does this app update auto-magically? I wouldn't expect it to. It does not. Okay. You've got to rebuild it. Build successful. Oh my God, we figured it out. Okay. Are you ready? Boop. All right, so it goes. I remember this song. It goes. I think I'm adjusting some small things here, but I think they will help the usability if we just give it a minute. You ready? Okay. I wish I was smart enough to code like this, brother. All it takes is free time and D20, D12, D6, D7. Okay, I don't like how that works. You ready? Whatever. Do I have any more understanding of the ice cream principles of coding than you do? I don't think so. Look, I'm not even getting the right font to show up in these goddamn buttons. I think I just have the patience to keep looking at it over and over and over again until my brain groks it. I also was given the fucking baseline understanding of coding when I was very young. I was taking a coding class in high school. So my brain was still malleable back then. All right, so instead of taking the title, is there something else, some other aspect of the die button we could take in order to give our int roll a number? Let's check. Doodle-dee-dle-dee, doodle-dee. Can I just give it an arbitrary, like, number or something? A value? Can I attach a value to this specific button? Can I rename it? If I name it 20, will it change the... Okay. So maybe we just use the name of the button rather than its title. And then I intify that, and then I send it into the randomizer. Rollerino Tostino. Comprende? Can you grasp my Rollerino so that I may Tostino? Alright, what? Would it just be called its name or something? Frame, input view, mask, tag? Perhaps it's tag? An integer you can use to identify view objects in your application. Okay, yeah, give it a tag. How do I give it a tag, though? Well, let's just see what it is without looking it up. Without attempting to apply a tag to it, what are the default tags of these buttons? You know? 0, 0, 0. Okay, that makes sense. If you don't apply a tag to it, the tag is 0. That adds up to me. We were taught how to build websites in GeoCities in junior high school? Hell yeah, dude. How do I give this thing a tag? More attributes. Custom class. Runtime attributes. Tags. On-demand resource tags. 20, you get the tag of 20. Oh. Wait, they all get the... No. Not what I was looking for, brother. Name of storyboard. I want the button, though. 20. Why do they all have the tag of 20 now? Target membership. I mean, I guess I could just concatenate the button, the number. I could, like, remove the D from the front of it. Edit string. Swift. Replace in substrings, maybe. All right, so we've got a string array, and then we convert string back is now OLO. No, I don't know. Assign button int value Swift. Retrieve value from your button's action. So this just assigns it in the code, but I don't want that. I would want it to assign it pre-code happening. The hell is VS Stack? Create a custom UI button subclass and add your own integer property. This is cleaner, more Swifty approach for complex scenarios. What? Custom class. That's what I want. UI button subclass and add your own integer property. I don't know what the hell that is, though. That doesn't make sense to me. Do 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 do. Tooltip. Just put it in the tooltip. Corner radius. Size, default view, rectangle. None of that. New reference outlet? Can I make it have a specific input? So, if I give this function a width, or it needs an int, right? Like a side num int. And then we just put the side num in here. So how does it decide what the side num is now that this is here? Wait. Touch up inside. So the function's gonna break because it doesn't have an int to send. How do you tell it what you want to input? So I think this is just going to break, right? It's going to be like, I don't know what that function does. I don't see a side num value to put in here. Please? Oh. Oh shit. Got that jungle beat. Oh! Okay. It picked the big number. Uh-oh. Okay, we broke it. Oh, did pick die. We pick the button that's getting picked. Side num int. Die button tag. Remove first character from a string. Swift. Whoa. Just like that? Force unwrapping using exclamation to abort execution optional if nil. So like that? Cannot assign a string element, aka character. The hell are you fucking talking about, man? Modified string drop first. Do dot do dot do dot do dot do dot do dot. Chain the option using question mark. Type of expression is ambiguous without annotation type. The hell are you talking about? Does that work? Type of expression is ambiguous. Like that? Like that? I don't know how to code in Swift, it turns out. What if we just do a switch case? Time for vibe coding. So true. Switch. I mean, I've already sort of been vibe coding. Switch case Swift. All right. So we're going to switch our die button content title. Case 1. It equals D20. Wait. This is probably so inefficient. We break that. So we've got D20. Is it capital C case? No, probably not. D12. Does this work? No. No. Shoot. D10. Oops. D8. D6. And D4. Okay. So now, switch must be exhaustive? What the fuck do you mean by that? We just need a return case? Or a default case? We'll just call this default then. Right? Okay. Okay, so now we want to run this function differently depending on the die roll. And so now, die roll 20, we're going to die roll 12, we're going to die roll 10, we're going to die roll 8. Oops. Going to die roll 6, and then finally we will die roll 4. Oh wait, we don't want that to be we would like a new variable, which is result equals var result is a num, is an int, is a string. Yeah. And now my roll code needs an int, which is going to be the it's going to be the die size, and it's an int. And this is going to go from 1 to die size. And these should all fade away. Missing label? Do I just need to say int? Oh. Die size? Is that gonna work? Oh, functions work differently in this fucking world. I don't like that. That I have to tell it exactly what I want. Okay. So die size 12, die size 10, die size 8, die size 6, die size 4. Run it. Build failed. Must be provided a subclass of message controller. This error in 6 language modes. What the fuck are you talking about? Missing argument for die size. Oh. Now will it work? Build failed. What did I do wrong? Required initializer init coder must be init. Forgot case 4. No, the default is case 4. Required initializer init coder must be provided by subclass messaging. Stored property result without initial value presents synthesized initializers. Okay. We'll just give it a value then. Or no value. Will that work? Build succeeded! Alright, let's see what happens. Uh-oh. It doesn't work. I'm feeling wiped out on coding right now. I did an hour of coding, and it's pissing me off now. Alright, so what if I just... Oh. Oh, instead of doing this, I should just do result. Maybe? Whip, whip, whip. Well, well. Whip, 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 whip. Help me, Rhonda! We're going in the phone. We're opening up the messaging app. We're opening up our program. We're clicking D20. And we're getting a thread error. What is the error? Unrecognized selector sent to instance. Oh, do I still have the old double? No, it's just one. Die button UI control. First, let's give us a rolled num dot text equals, just to see what's going wrong. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Still breaking something. I think my storyboard is fucked somehow. I have to. How do I get rid of stuff? Get you out of here. Get you out of here. Touch up inside. Dude, they really want me to pretend like I'm fucking the buttons. Because if you're telling me to touch up inside something, I'm gonna get in there, man, you know? I just don't want to fuck the buttons. I just want to press them. But they're telling me I gotta touch up inside. Alright, what's this tiny text say? Messages view controller did pick die with die button. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I want. Run it. If this doesn't work, I'm moving on to a different thing. I'm probably just going to play video game. D10. D12. D20. 14. Wait, it only rolls once? 1. D12 rolls a 1. D4 rolls a 3. D10 rolls an 8. D12 rolls an 8. Okay, so now it's working. It's working. D10, D12 rolls a 2, rolls a 5, rolls a 6, rolls a 10, rolls a 1, D20, rolls an 8, rolls a 6, rolls a 16, rolls a 13, rolls a 2, D10, 2, 2. Back to the D10, please. 7, there we go. 8, 9, 9. Are we going to get a 10 on any of these ever? 10, there we go. I just wanted to make sure that all of my bases were covered here. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3. D8 rolls a 5, rolls a 7, rolls a 7, rolls a 1, rolls a 1. So I don't like that you have to click it multiple times. I think it needs to re-save the value every time you click. So maybe instead of saving the result, we need to save the int that we're working with and then just run the function. So instead, result is just going to be the number 20. And this is going to be an int. This is going to be the number 12. This is going to be the number 10. This is going to be the number 8. This is going to be the number 6. And this, my friends, is going to be the number 4. And now, instead of this equaling result, it's going to equal a string that equals the die roll. It's the roll die function. Roll die function with the int size of result. Save that. Cannot find sting. Yeah, I know you can't find sting because it's a string that I'm looking for. Okay. This, I think, is where I'm going to leave off today. But I think that this is good, clean fun. And I think that this is something that everyone wants and no one knows that they want. Rollerino Tostino. Roll, 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 roll. And now every time I roll a d6, I do need some sort of thing that selects the number so you can see. There's a lot that this needs before it's good. But it's fun to have it. I don't know. That's cool, man. I'm feeling pretty proud of myself for figuring this shit out. I'm done coding for today, though. I'm going to play some video games, but first I'm going to go to the bathroom, and I'm getting another ding, and I have to text my old coworker boss and tell her that I'm not going to work today because it's spring break. I have a question. I have a question for you. Let me ask you something, please. Have you guys seen that? Y'all watching R.M. Brown at all ever? Let me ask you something, please. Let me find it. Let me ask you something, please. Can I go like full screen on this or something? Ooh, they are going buck wild on each other. Here, okay. Would you guys watch owl content like this? If this live stream was just this, would you watch it? This is a mama owl and and an adult man owl. And that mother owl is currently roosting and holding some baby owls under her body to keep them warm and cozy and alive so they can grow up to be adult owls. Do you think that if you had 24/7 unfettered access to watching these owls show snakes to each other, if you would watch that? Would you watch these snakes look at each other and pass a snake back and forth between them? These two owls are arguing over a snake together. Watch a few minutes only. Has the live stream footage of animals in the wild sort of died off in the zeitgeist? Look at that big ass snake. That owl's like, fuck off. I don't want that shit, man. Get that out of my face. How does he know that she doesn't want it? Because I couldn't. Is it the way that she hooed just then? Hoo. And he's like, well, are you sure you don't want it? It's a perfectly good snake. And she said, yeah, get that shit out of my face, dude. It's still alive. It's still wriggling around. Get me something meatier, dude. Get it out of here. And then he leaves. Anyways, I don't know. It's gonna bite me. Piss off, man. Yeah. Seems like what she's saying. Shoot. Let me unplug some stuff so that my desk area is a little cleaner. I'm gonna switch over to Mewgenics because I've been having fun with Mewgenics and I haven't had a lot of time to play it. And now we're in spring break, baby. So we have all the time in the world. It's a little cold. Let me turn up the temp. Spring break, baby. They were on spring break, baby. I don't know, man. All right, turn off the fake music. We're going to turn on the real music now. And I have to change my shit so that it speaks to the content that I am presenting. So did I become a million billionaire today? No, not even close. Did I progress towards becoming a million billionaire? Maybe the tiniest bit. I inched closer. I scraped a quarter and a dollar. Cats slapping each other to bits. We're going into Mewgenics, a fun game for fun people like me. Wah, 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 wah. Wah wah. Oh, shit. Some stuff just fell. No, it seems fine. Okay. Why did you look up Mewgenics instead of opening it? Just open the game, please. Weedy doo doo. We do we do. Woo doo 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 doo. We do 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 do. I think since I last played on stream, I only got like 1 or 2 runs in beyond what y'all saw. So yeah, we've been oops, not responding. Capture Mewgenics battle highlights automatically with Insights capture. Install now. Mewgenics. I think I'm alright though. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. I'm gonna pass. All right, so we just got back from what I think it seems like I just got back. I don't have a box anymore, so
makes me want to make love and scratch things.
Makes me want to make love and scratch things. All right, you're a viable candidate for the trip. Oh, we don't have a lot of viable candidates actually. It looks like we'll just have 2 tomorrow. All right, well, see what happens. Nothing happened? That's bad. Uh-oh. We already saw this. Are they talking Guillotina again? Oh, sure, her head fell off. So the head and the body are working separately now. And the... oh. Okay. Guillotina's coming back. In 7 days. Okay. 7 days is a fucking lifetime, man. Cleanse all debuffs. Seems kind of useful. Let's look at the furniture. Comfort, but no stimmy. Stimulation and appeal. +1 appeal. Look at the jukebox. What's Tink gonna tell us about? I saw that fat cat's head rolling through the streets, you know, morbidly obese one with the fetish for murder. That one, out of nowhere, her giant bludder body came flopping down after the head. I tried to take a pic, but my camera roll was full. I was doing glamour shots with the old ball and chain last night. Things got a little cray-cray. I was going to delete a few pics, but make the room caught up how amazing what I was looking at that. Then this guy bandit flipped me off and yelled at me in a very aggressive tone. I was all, WTF. I tried to show my pics and he just ignored me and kept honking his horn with like 7 other people. What's wrong with everyone these days? Alright, shut up, Think. We are very close to a Baby Jack upgrade. We're not very close to a Frank upgrade. We're very close to a Tynan upgrade and a Dr. Beans upgrade.
This next one's got me hotter.
I really want Frank to work.
Cat race.
Ooh, cat race. Hell, you mean cat race? All right, we've only got 3 guys, so we can't really go. Yeah. Is there something else we can do? I guess I could add my clock radio. We care more about the stimulation up here than downstairs, because upstairs is the fucking zone. Alright. The fucking needs to happen upstairs. Let's do it. Oh, this happened downstairs, unfortunately. All right, these are my goats right upstairs, dude. These are the good ones. Ooh, she got the flying gene. We love the flying gene. Didn't happen. That's okay. Hamnet. She's got the flying mutation that makes everything she does a jump, but her stats are booty. When you end your turn, as long as you didn't cast a spell. Oh, that's pretty good. This lady is fucked up. She's got, like, terrible stats. She's got a Necromancer secondary ability and a Cleric passive. Nightmare creature. Alright, well, we do have enough for a mission, so maybe we just do the mission with what we got. Or maybe should I wait and hold some goated cats back? What is going on, man?
What a journey that was, folks. That was called Cat Race. And I feel
like
exhausted.
I feel like I need to get some good cats going for the Guillotina run. So maybe I keep waiting for a minute. All right, let's see my available cats. Mid. Already retired. Where are my unretired cats, man? Hamnet. Actively bad. Sheldon. Actively bad. Methuselah is looking good as perhaps a... I don't know, Necromancer? Something. You're bad. Why are all my cats shit? All right, let's just run it back one more day. Stop fucking people. This guy keeps fucking people, and it's making me... Oh, no. Oh, no! All right, well, Frank gets an upgrade. Instead of oil, I need plasma to play video games. Stay in there, you nasty thing. Okay.
Next one's called Meow, Meow, Meow. And as you can guess, the lyrics are utterly stupid.
All right, let's get our goat Hamnet out. You look pretty bad. You look pretty good. 7-6. You're a good fighter for sure. You're pretty bad. I mean, you got knives for hands, which is cool. But you're so bad at everything else. I'm gonna bring you in just to see what you can do. I think you have potential as a sick cleric. Is there anyone else viable here? You're sort of bad. You're sort of bad. I guess you could be a decent necromancer. What's his 0 ability? Increases the spell's damage at end of each turn. Purr. Jaskier. Every one of these guys is just so middling. You have that jump ability, so that's cool. These are probably like some of my worst cats, and then a good one, randomly. I like when they have the dumb guy laugh. I don't know. Fuck it. Let's go. All right. You have the ability to jump, and your basic attack inflicts a bleed. Having a thing that will move around and fight a bunch and then bleed people, it doesn't need int because it's just going to be using its basic attack as much as possible. And then that also benefits the Blessing of Spirit because I heal all allies if I don't use any spells, which his intention is to never use spells. Okay. 7 strength, bunch of movement. Maybe a tank? This is like another dumb guy profession. That's pretty cool. 7 strength. You become extremely immobilize an adjacent unit. That's better for trip or for a tank than it is for an archer. You got knives for hands, so your basic attack has a chance to inflict bleed. We could make you a ranger, no problem. Because then you're going to be inflicting bleed all over the place, and the luck will help that be better. Bunch of strength, bunch of dex, bunch of charisma. That seems to me like a...
Wrapped it all up.
Excuse me?
Sad. Wrapped it all up. Sad. Wrapped it all up.
Who has wrapped it all up? Meow.
Wrapped it all up. Meow. Meow. Sad. Nice little bow on top.
I have a feeling that whoever the... Why does this cat talk? Here's my guess. Whoever did the voice of Methuselah was working with the developer, whatever his name is, Eddie. Edmund. And they were on a call, and he was like, okay, meow. And she was just belligerent the entire time. And so he didn't get enough good meows, and so he just had to use a laugh.
Meow. 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 Sad. Meow. 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 Wrapped it all. Meow.
Wrapped it all up. Having a big mover is kind of cool too. Big mover, lots of charisma.
Meow. Here comes the sad.
Here comes the sad.
Wrapped it all up.
Wrapped it all up.
Meow. Meow. Wrapped it all up.
Wrapped it all up.
Here comes the sad. Wrapped it all up. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Will strength give cleric more damage / heal? Yeah. I think cleric makes sense here. Getting 8 charisma is really good. She's kind of tanky. She's got the... Yeah. All right. We'll do it. Inflict bruise on units that contact you. Seems good. Your fire element damage is increased by 1 and inflicts 1 burn. We don't do that here. Gain 2 shield when you take damage from an ability. Don't know what that means. absolutely swing out on someone, which is fun. But I don't think you'll have enough int to ever do that. Shoot a high damage shot with a 70% chance to miss. Seems bad. 12 damage is sweet, though. At the end of your turn, spawn a flea familiar equal to the number of enemies you've killed in battle. Okay, Sheldon. Okay, Sheldon, you're a new guy. Give a unit +1 damage. That unit becomes the alpha. Okay. Ranged attack is a lobbed healing attack. Lobbed ranged attack for +6 health is insane. Spawn blessing pickup on an empty tile. Okay. Next basic attack has range 4. Alright, so this is our goat right here. When you take damage from an ally, basic attack in the direction you're facing, damage you take from allies is reduced by 1. If I could find like a pinging attack, something for like 1 damage, that would be nuts. We'll figure it out. Okay. We're gonna try Act 2 again. I don't know if this is the best squad for Act 2, but we'll make it work. Alright, we've got some gunners. I'm gonna move like this, and then I'm gonna punch myself this way. Then I'll end my turn. I can jump on this guy? Hell yeah! So good. Oh my god. Okay, I just have a human on my squad for no reason now. That's gonna be really annoying. We'll spawn a blessing pickup. I guess I should move. Meow. What the hell is the blessing pickup? Oh shit, I didn't do it. Spawn a blessing pickup. Oh, okay. Whoa, okay, he just gets to be invincible. That's kind of crazy. What the hell? We got leeches? So you're telling me I'm not allowed to touch anyone? Okay. We're gonna give you a little boosty. And I'm gonna throw a lob shot at you. I don't know, man. Okay. Gonna jump on top of you. Gonna fucking kill your ass. End turn. Everyone gains life or mana. We go here. We heal my friend. We give him a blessing pickup for later. Let's put it here for now. I'm a little worried that he might... Ah! There's a leech farm. Alright, we gotta take care of that goddamn leech farm. We need to get some better range on this guy. He sucks right now. 7 damage. Knock a unit 10 tiles back. When you take damage from abilities... Alright, well, this is what tanks do, so... Get good, scrub.
Meow.
Holy shit, man. You got a voice on you. Move in front of an enemy. I know that I'm losing some ability here, but the ability to fucking kill that off the jump is kind of nasty. And then I'll just kill this flea fly. Okay. Tumor Prison, it's called. Ah! Does this damage enemies? Oh, hell yeah. 21, 36. Everyone's doing good on health. Let's just kill this guy. Or work towards killing him, I guess. I don't know. Heavy shot. Do it again. Do it again. Okay. So those don't count as enemies, so I don't... Ah! Not what I wanted to do, but that's fine. Got a coin. Batter up. Sorry, bucko.
Nice little bow on top.
Nice little bow on top. She's not wrong. Yeah. She is not wrong about that one. Okay, I'm not feeling too bad about this crew. That's what's up. Is that what she said? Chosen Warrior. Give a unit +1 damage. Okay, so we already have that ability on the Ranger, I think. You and your allies move towards the nearest enemy. Another unit's next spell is free, is kind of nuts. Gain 0 shield. Increase that shield by 2 by the end of turn. Castable once per battle. I think we make some spells free. I think that'll be good. What do we get here? Some catnip? You know who needs catnip? Katniss Everdeen. Alright, do we need water bottles? I think yes. The thick of sandstorm kicks up small grains of stands traveling furious speed. Okay. We only have 5 cents though, so I'm only probably going to get like 1 water bottle. I'm going to risk it. No water bottle. Scabs. Permanently gain +2 shield each time you end a battle. This item cannot be equipped. Permanently gain shield if you end the game with shield. You know who would go nuts with is you. Because you're never going to get hit. Same with you. I feel like you're rarely going to get any damage done to you. But I think you especially. Yeah. He's got a callus now. Isn't that cute? Isn't that little kitty? Okay, we've got a sandstorm. I don't know what the fuck is going on, man. Heals are reduced by 1. Does not heal after battle. Okay. I think we want you to go here. And face this way. I'm going to move your ass here. And you're going to punch this jerk. And he's going to fucking die. End turn. bone shot. Doubt it. Ah. All right, we've got a blinded boy.
Nice little bow on top.
Nice little bow on top. Another unit's next spell is free. Your next spell is going to be free. I'm going to move Yar. And I'm going to I'm going to deal damage to Yar. Ooh-wee! Don't hurt my boy! He has a callus! Remember when I... Alright, who's my chosen warrior? You're my chosen warrior. Kill this bonesman. Kill him! Don't miss. You fucker. Alright. Okay, the sandstorm is bad. It's really bad. Jump on his ass. And then slash his ass. Miss! Bro, you can't miss like that. Now I have to do your dirty work. How does he keep losing and gaining shield? You're next to go? Not anymore, buddy. Finish him. Fucking finish him. Yeah. I don't know, man. I gotta flee. Got your ass. Got your ass. Sheldon leveled up. Gain +1 bonus attack at the start of your next turn. It's pretty good. Especially because we want him to get a set a trap that immobilizes. That can be good. Trample over 1 tile is fine. Give a unit +3 range and reach until the end of their next turn. What is reach? Range up. I think we want you to be able to double attack. The Prowler's Mask. What do we got here? Backstab inflicts bleed. That sounds like a Hamlet attack if I've ever seen it. And then you get your thorns, buddy. Okay. Go ahead, take your thorns. What the fuck? 13 damage? Are you just dead? 4 health. Holy shit, man. Alright, we got Dak. Now I'm starting to wish I had done the trap thing. He's gonna kill my ass. This guy, like, does backflips every time he gets a coin or something. And he... How do I not have the range that I need? Ugh. Wrapped it all up. Alright, well, you definitely need to get healed. I'm gonna take this coin. Then I'm gonna drop a little potion of hallowed ground on your ass. I think now is as good a time as any to use the catnip baggie. Give you a free double attack next turn. And then also maybe some more hallowed ground. Alright, I would love you to have shield because that goes well with your callus. You've got the movement, so you need to be the chosen warrior. I need the extra attack next turn. And turn. Get ready to fucking learn it, buddy. I don't think that worked. Broken move, man. Well, I wasn't supposed to use a spell, but face the other way. Good to go.
Nice little bow on top.
Nice little bow on top. You heard that right. I'm gonna send you here. I'm gonna let you heal my friend. And also give him a little sauce if he needs it. End my turn. Oh my god, it's so annoying. He's just out of range. Is it just your next turn? All right. Holy shit, my boy's almost dead. My boy. Get his ass. Oh, no. Oh, not enough, buddy. You gotta be quicker than that, my man. He has a backflip. My boy. Stay away from my boy. Big mistake, buddy. Big mistake, bucko. You just walked into my goddamn trap. That's fine. That is fine. Yeah. Yeah, you think you're gonna hurt me. You're fucking not. And guess what? You've only got one backflip left. Get ready to learn it. I'm gonna use my I'm gonna use my heavy shot on that because I know it's gonna be a waste. Then I'm gonna kick your ass. 8 damage. Done. All right, we took a lot of damage on that one. That was not great. Ooh, we got some cat food though. That's nice. A huge punch that breaks your paw, you get -1 permanently. No, that's okay. Gain +5, gain 5 bruise. Ah, that's so bad. A melee attack. This spell's mana cost increases by 2 each time it's cast. Thunder Punch. A melee attack that has a 25% chance to stun. I mean, I'm not going to be using any of these. Because the whole point of Hamlet is that he doesn't use spells. Game. A melee attack. This spell melee increases by 2 each time it's cast. I mean, maybe we just do Big Punch because we're going to be doing it so rarely. Woo, okay. We got some money. 24 health. Who needs it? You definitely need it, buddy. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Okay. Buy some water bottles. We'll buy a water bottle. I guess it's probably you that needs it. Meow. I'm definitely not going the hard route. I don't know the desert well enough. Leave it alone, bud. Not your space. This is certainly not your zone. Okay, we got a bunch of flies. And I think we just eat some cat food and fucking grab a coin. I don't know. Boo, 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 boo.
Wrapped it all up.
Wrapped it all up. 20 health, 22 health. All right. You get my heal. Your next spell is free. This sandstorm really fucking me up, man. I wish I had more range, too. These flies are kind of brutal. Ha ha ha! Yeah! Didn't expect that to happen. Oh, the sandstorm helping me out quite a bit there. Slap him. No big punch. You're getting punched. That didn't kill him? It's annoying. You could use some healing, perhaps. But I also need to kill these guys. Your next spell's free. Turn around! Take a free heavy shot. Did it! Hell yeah, he's gonna make so many fleas. Another heavy shot. Too good to be true. You know how it is. Take a bonus shot next turn. Holy fuck, man. You toast. Get me out of here. Yeah, why not? We'll just goad you. The fleas can move, man. Worth getting some heals in here. Should have thought that one more through. Got the reload, baby. All right. Pull a unit within 2 tiles towards you, knocking it into you. That's pretty good. Jump into a tile, immobilize it. Immobilize is super good. Throw an adjacent unit to an open tile. I think belly flop is the move here. I have found belly flop to be extremely good. We eat the poo. Methuselah got intestinal prolapse. It's probably bad. You receive double damage from behind? Oh no. That's awful. She's already so bad. Feathered Veil. What do we got here? Counterattack melee attackers? Give that to her. I need some healing, man. Rare candy. Trample. You can move through other units' damage and displacing them. When you knock a unit into an ally or knock an ally into an enemy, that enemy uses their basic attack. That ally uses their basic attack on that unit. Your base attack has +1 knockback. Damage you deal to other allies is reduced to 0. Knockback increased to 10. I think that shoving match mixed with immobilize is going to be really good. Wow, what a consumer you are. Fuck off. Can't afford anything else. Get out of my face. Is it going to be Gun Guy again? It is going to be Gun Guys, the Zodiac. Gabung Guy, Gun Guy. What the hell?
Driving down this lonesome road, burdened by heavy load. Sand and asphalt are my friend. Until this journey's at an end.
Nice.
It's roadkill for my morning meal. Birds of prey around my
All right, Cactus is down.
when I take my break. Huffing catnip to stay awake.
I've moved. Shoot me. What?
When my day comes to an end.
Wrapped it all up.
Wrapped it all up. She's not wrong.
Bed me down just round that bend to sleep and rest my weary eyes. When I'm swept and free, being who I wanna be.
My cleric is going to fucking die.
Dazzled by the desert sand, wondering all about the land. Seeking high and seeking low.
Low.
Mine own self you ever go. A belly full will make me feel
Choose an alpha.
that I'm a cool cat at the wheel.
I believe in the tank.
Taste of blood
I believe in the tank.
in my mouth, and the road is
Okay.
in my bones. Golden east, west, north, and south. I'm a cat.
Out of bullets. Moving towards me. Huge mistake. Oh, never mind. If I move here, do you think he's able to shoot me?
Breaker, breaker, one night.
What if we just confront his ass?
Come on back on this.
Take the shot, man. That's fine.
Tell me where to find something to ease my
No reason to do that.
And when the journey's run out of road,
So the bow on top.
Toad, you'll know that this cat's done fine.
Okay, both my cats are almost dead. I just have to end turn, I guess. You got one shot left? I'll take the shot. I'll take the D. Because now you're fuckled, buddy. Yeah, you're out.
Down this lonesome road, burdened by heavy load.
Take a drink. Take a little sip.
Until this journey's at an end. It's roadkill for my morning meal. Birds of prey are at my heels.
Okay.
Whiskey when I
Damn, just one off. That's so annoying.
huffing catnip to stay over.
Give him the alpha. Give him the sauce.
Comes to
All right, sauce him up. You gotta run and recharge. That's great for me. If I confront him, I simply die. Perfect. End turn. Move you here. Punch you for 10. I get a reload? That doesn't do anything. I take my water.
belly full will make me feel that I'm a cool cat at the wheel. The taste of blood is in my mouth, and the road is in my paw. Rolling east, west, north, and south.
Waste a bullet on a cactus. Idiot. Hit him with the heavy shot. Oh, baby. All right. And then make him waste a bullet. A sack of cash. 2 health. 1 health. He hurt my boy. All right. Let's just end it then. I jump over on top of him. He dies. I win. All right. Okay, I've seen shoulder shoulder check do a bunch of work. Plus speed always good. If you're facing a unit after you move, automatically attack it. I think with the jump, this becomes insane. You can only have 2 passives at a time. That kind of sucks. All right, so we lost Bunker last time. Fragile and Brittle. Fragile and Brittle, hey? Gain 5 int for the rest of the battle. You have the chance to do some incredible stuff with a little bit higher int, so let's give it to you. I haven't been to Crater. I have been to Bunker, and I got fuckled by it. I think we recommit to Bunker, and we win. The Bunker. I need some health on my cleric. My cleric needs some goddamn healing. I don't know, like that. What the hell are these things? Cat Cultist. Melee attacker. Increase the amount of times it can attack each turn whenever it takes damage. Okay. So these are like one-hit guys we got to get rid of. Did that cat just say Mario? Whoa, cool it, buddy. Oh, it can hurt itself and then it gets more attacks. That's interesting. Next spell is free. Watch this. You get a free attack next turn in the form of a belly flop. You also get some heal. Double melee attack. Watch. What? Oh, he used one attack to cut, I guess? I don't really know what's going on here. Seems bad, though. Whatever it is. Gonna be able to attack twice next turn. That seems fine. Becomes a zealot when it kills something. Let's jump on your ass. Yeah. Easy punch in the face. Easy belly flop onto our cultist. Easy look or move. No. We don't move. We just look towards the cultist. Right? No! Okay, well. I did that by mistake. I misclicked, okay?
Nice little bow on top.
Nice little bow on top. All right, how many times do you get to attack? 1, 2. Is it thunderstorming outside? I keep hearing big bumbles. The hell? Is that a special ability of someone else? Why was she parrying that? Little reload for you. Then we hit him with the heavy shot. Cacao! We hit him with the heavy shot. Cacao! All right. Heavy shot sucks. Jump on his ass. Look at it. Look him in the eye. Oh, getting that healing back is so nice after the goddamn
Nice little bow on top.
nice little bow on top. When you end your turn without using a spell, that's bad. That's bad for her. Caretaker. When you heal another unit, heal yourself. Oh my god, she needed that so bad. She's the only one that doesn't have good health. I got the demon core, dude. Oh shit. This is a really sad story. You guys know about the demon core? In like the 40s when they were first thinking about nuclear radiation, they had this thing. All right, sorry. Start of each battle with Poison 5. Inflict all stats down 2 on bosses and mini-bosses at the start of the battle. Use melee weapon that causes a unit to die at the end of its next turn. Bosses fall asleep instead. This is crazy. It's Doom. Ticks down at the end of your turn. When it hits 0, you die. It's not worth it, but it's a funny item. Certainly not worth, but certainly funny. These robots are fucking nasty. Alright, we've got a cultist cat who can hit me for 2. I guess just for 1. Get his ass. And then jump on his ass. So these... Okay, it's about the goddamn thunderstorm. Sorry. Okay. Enter. We move him here, and then we attack the trash bag for 14 damage. Then we belly flop on this asshole. And look him in the eye. Feel good drugs. Oh no. He's extra mobile. No! Oh, good. I thought he was going to toss me into the sludge. That would have been bad. Okay. Is there anything I can do that's interesting? Which robot? Oh, okay. Your next spell is free. Anyone need a top off? No, not really. Alright. I'm just gonna get a shit ton of turns next turn. I guess that's it. It's raining quite heavily. Get batted. Huh? Nice, dude. Feel good drugs. These old cats are getting quite strong. Don't toss me. Thank you. Okay. I think I like where you stand. You're fucking toast, buddy. I've got like 6 reload on you. Finish him. Yeah. Stupid luck. Love that for me. I can't kill him. I can't kill him. Ow. Stabbed my ass. He died. Hell yeah. I got flies. I got fleas. Oh, coward. A coward. Your ranged attacks never miss? What the fuck? I have heavy attack. So you're just telling me my heavy attack always works? That's insane. Okay, heavy shot just got incredible. Anyone need some heal? No. We're full health all of a sudden. Everything's looking real nice all of a sudden. Gain 6 mana. You could use the gain 6. Wrapped it all up. Dude, I agree. Fragile, brittle, wet. You can't have it. I gotta pee real quick. It's raining like a motherfucker on my house. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. This item has a 25% chance of breaking when you get hit. Everyone else has something better or whatever, so. Do 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 do. A toolbox. What's it do? Items lose brittle and fragile. Weapons have a 25% chance to repair when used. Okay, this just got a lot better. Counter attack melee. Oh, the feathered veil is what saved you. Okay, I think feathered veil needs to be on someone else. You haven't been backstabbing, so let's just give you that. Let's give you poop shield and yeah. Do 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 do. That seems fine. Mini boss. Is this the hugger? Yeah, this one hugs us. All right. Oh no, he's infatuated with my fighter. All right, I got to keep him far away then. Punch? Belly flop? Oh, he's not even going to try. That's kind of nice, actually. Next spell is free. That's going to be you, my friend. I'm going to move you here, and I'm going to whack you. It's so nasty. He just does 25 damage. He can't miss. All right, we got to get you far away. And then just facing the right direction. Yeah. All right, here's the plan. We're going to whack you. Stay away from my boy.
Nice little bow on top.
Nice little bow on top. Coin. His name is Ka-Chow. That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. All right, you're about to pick up my guy. What? Kitty. I think you're just dead, though, brother. I can't miss you, man. It's a joke. Actually, disgusting power-up on this guy. He just went from a C tier to like an S tier. Because he can't miss his heavy shot anymore. All right. Increase strength, increase charisma, increase move. I think move is probably what we want here. Because everything else is so good already.
Wrapped it all up.
Wrapped it all up. You know me. I love to wrap it all up. Who's low on health? You? Oh, I already gave you a snack. You should eat that bitch. All right. Rare candy, please. Full heal, huh? More range is not going to do much for you. More strength might be nice. More health might be nice. Charisma, not so much. Let's just make you a beef boy. Spring. Your movement action is a jump. We already got that. And a melee attack that lobs a unit. Actually, spring might go insane. It's a ring? I mean, his is already a jump. I'm thinking that it should go on, like... I mean, just +2 speed, though, is also crazy. But you getting more speed is super important. All right. We're not going hard. We like surprise. +2 speed! Everyone's so good. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right, we got 2 bots. We got a Robo Cat, takes 3 less damage. It's got 12 health. Okay. I'm not worried about it. I think we stick together for the most part, but I do want to give you an extra attack, and I would like to heal you because you're a little bit hurt. Okay. I think cats together strong is the move. Recharge, eh? You got 1 shield off that. Robo-Cat. Killed... Oh, you got all stats up. Whoa. Can attack 1 extra time each turn. Alright, he can attack me. And that's fine. I can kill anyone. Nine, 10. I kill the furthest away. And... Okay. I think you gotta You got to take some D. And then we do a little belly flop on your ass. It's got to go to you, I guess. Unfazed, brother. The fleas will do it to you, man. You gotta watch out. You gotta watch out. Heavy strike. Heavy strike. And that's game. Game's easy. More range would go crazy, but a 2 on the run speed actually makes it so that we need to level you out a little bit here, man. Are we hitting the boss again? All right, I'm feeling good about this run. He's got food poisoning. That's fine. All right, we've got Johnny again. This guy, I don't understand how to play him. He sits in the middle and he fucks shit up. He doesn't move. He just... Okay. They're here to cool down Johnny. He's wet. Oh, he can only use his psychic spells when he's being washed. Oh, shit. So we're trying to keep these guys off of Johnny. Okay. Well, now that I know that, that changes everything. So he's still being washed, so he's gonna try and do something. Yeah. He's still wet? I don't really know how that works. I'm gonna keep you here, brother. I'm gonna make you enlighten this man, and I'm just gonna make you do a little D. All right, go ahead. So now he's washing. I'm charmed. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. That's okay. This guy is not important to me. The only one that matters is my boy Sheldon. And that's because he can do stuff like this. We'll take an extra shot next turn. And we'll just heavy shot your ass. All right, our plan is to give Sheldon extra shots and to keep these guys at bay. Okay. The only guy that matters is Sheldon. With that said, do we kill this guy or this guy? I think we go over here and we kill this guy. I mean, if there's any time to use Big Punch, it's now. These guys are simply not going to get close. They will not get close enough. You're never going to get close enough to help your boy out. Sheldon's our main damage dealer. Okay. In this case, we're in a weird spot. 150 damage. I think we're just spitting at this guy and ending our turn. All right, we can't allow you to get any closer. You're going to have to stay right there, buddy. There's no more guys left to help you, bud. Oh, no! He's getting washed. He's getting washed. Okay, he's no longer washed. Don't worry. We're fine, we're fine. So, 130. Can you do... All right, so you're healthing my boy. Baby cry, then guy walks, then health. Okay. I think we can afford to heavy shot. $14. I could crit. I think we go here and we try and crit this guy. Shit. All right, that's fine. We still get 4 fleas at the end of every turn. All right. No, 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 no. He's washing. Oh, no. Okay, well, you need to get healed for sure. Just gonna make you... No! He's getting washed. Oh, and the guy's so strong, too. All right, we're going to punch him. Punch his ass because it's free. And then punch him again, and he's dead. No more washing your boy. Go ahead, please. He's getting washed. Wait, he's not quite getting washed. I can't really tell what's going on here. Just kill his ass. Why no crit? Yeah, we heavy shot you. We gotta get some D eventually, you know? Flee up. No! He's being washed! Your next attack is free. Also, take some health, man. You look in rough shape. Alright. No, 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 no! I don't like that. We're gonna jump behind you. We're gonna fucking punch your ass. What? Alright, take it again. Ah! He really wants to wash his boy! 68 health. Alright, and we've got a telekinesis, which is terrible right now. Heavy shot, no! If I had my tank, man. Fine, eat the snack. That's great, buddy. Alright, we gotta get in front of your ass. We gotta give you some extra stuff to do. And we just gotta start dealing D, man. What the hell? Why are they doing that? What do you mean? He's not your enemy! What is going on? Okay. Fuck. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Spawn a blessing. Move over to the blessing. Hit the lad. I'm just gonna try and survive because he's got 11 bleed. I've got like 2 more hits on him and he's done. Go ahead, do all the spells you want. Oh, these fleas are coming after me too. Plus 18 health. Alright, if I can just kill him. I think I barely survived this. That's fine. Do all this shit you want. You're gonna die next turn. Wash him, cut him. I don't care, man. That's fine too. Oh wait, you're gonna make him heal him? Wait. Exhaustion sets in. Don't heal him. No. No. Am I okay? Am I okay? Please. 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 End round. End round. Yes! Oh my god! Wait! Oh, I have to kill them now too! Fuck! Oh, I have to kill all the remainders. There's so many left. Oh. I'm invincible. This is gonna be tough. I don't think I win this. Damn, I was so close again. I get a free hit here, right? Oh! That would have been such a fucking goated team. I would have loved to have bred those cats, man. Ugh. Damn. Just take one? That seems too much. Coins. I don't know, man. That team was looking so strong by the end. I'm super bummed that that didn't work out. All right, well, is Rat Cousin going live soon? He goes live at 3. 15 minutes? I don't know if I can do anything in 15 minutes. What do we got here? Check out what I found. It looks like a simple dice, but it has a faint glow to it in the dark. I actually found it in your house while you were out on an adventure. Look familiar? No? Okay. Deja vu still in effect. No idea what it does, but test it. Okay. I want to send something to Baby Jack, because he's going to upgrade soon here. Do I have anything with injuries? Any cats with injuries, please? No, I don't have any cats with injuries. Well, hell. I gotta get my forces up here. These two love fucking, and they keep resulting in really shitty cats. Where's your jumping ability, man? Alright. What do we got? Ooh, you're kind of cool. Get out of here. This is a god. This cat is a god. Your attacks may charm. He has Williams syndrome. -1 to int. Okay, so he can't do anything, but he's extremely charismatic. So he won't be able to ever regen mana. But he'll start with a lot of mana. Interesting.
And now a quick commercial break. Be right back.
And you're, as usual, kind of trash.
Doesn't have rain in it.
Because all of the cats that are bred by these two jokers are not very good.
Any day.
Alright, how do I separate you from the rest of the squads? Why do you... It can't be you, it must be fucking Bobbert. Who is... Are you fucking up my squads? I'm just gonna send you because you're too old to do anything. I need more room for cats.
Anything that moves, even your face, you can't erase my furry points. Let's suck on a rotting mouse here in the house.
Pharrell and nobody. Ooh, we got another flyer. Okay. Domingo. Bobbert's old. All right, old Bobbert. Send you to Frank. Ooh, her name is Rat. Reminds me of a guy I know. Stats are kind of booty. Am I doing something wrong? These guys are all juiced, and yet there's the people that they make are bad.
Isn't it neat? Give me a treat from inside your brassiere.
I'm running a directed study. Figure out where the limits of correct.
Pussy. It's really not the same. In your brain, how will your pants this dance?
Absolutely nobody is insane. They need to be involved in... Oh no, they're already legendary. I can't use them against Guillotina. All right, we need to train up some fucking cats here. You're not good enough. You're just not good enough. Get the one with knife arms out at least. You could be useful. Maria. Jasker's only okay. But slightly better than Aminia. Porco's pretty good. Maria's not that great. This guy's got a little psycho mouth, and that's kind of cool. I could see this guy being useful for something. Where's the worst of these guys? Probably you. Who was I looking at? You? Guga? Or was it you? Sophia. Sophia, I can see something happening with you. Alright. We need this cat to survive. She's got a shit ton of charisma. And no intelligence. I can give her +2 to negative to get her to 1. She will not be able to regain any mana. Or I could run her out like a tank or something. And then she just has a bunch of abilities, but then... Or like a thief. Because a thief is going to run around a bunch. And just like swat at them and stuff. Yeah, I think a thief here makes a lot of sense. Gain 1 strength. Seems good. Range, constitution, intelligence. That sounds like a necromancer to me. Could it be this, though? No, I think it's a necromancer. You've got range and constitution and luck. Could be a ranger. Could be a cleric, maybe? Those are pretty good stats. No strength, but that's an int character for you, right? What about you? You got a lob shot. Gain 0 mana. Increase this by 2 at the end of each turn. Range, strength. You're an all-arounder. I don't know. Range and luck, no movement. Let's keep you just a generic fighter and see how that goes. Take this dice to the caves. Your team's level up options are complete chaos. Hell yeah.
Meow.
Splash damage. Teleport diagonally. Gain range. Oh, here, you got a fire attack. Let's give you some fire abilities. We're going to the alley because it's got a little bit. Following. When's a rat cousin gonna start streaming? I'm gonna just do a quick battle and then we'll see how it goes. Oh, castable once per battle. Why did I do that? Start each battle with 2 corpses near you. When you destroy a corpse, gain 2 HP and spawn a food item. Huh. The hell? How much HP you got? Oh. Melee attack that inflicts 3 burn. I got bad news for you, chicken. Yay! I could really use that chicken meat. Oh well. Teleport diagonally, eh? Found myself some chicken meat. Okay. Damn. Is Rat Cousin streaming tonight even? Oh, it is chaos. Oh my god. Upgraded Fire Punch right off the bat? You gotta be joking me. He's in a minute. A melee attack that inflicts more burn the more strength you have. This is actually just gonna be incredible. So we gotta take this to the caves. No, I don't want to pull out the knife. Of course I started bleeding. He's alive? Alright, well, I'll finish this battle up on my own, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Have a great, wonderful day and afternoon and evening. And goodbye. Goodbye, Slugman. And can I just say, Slugman. Slugman. Slugman.